Welcome to Add a Little Dazzle. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to create an elegant candle holder for all those elegant summer events. There are so many beautiful projects you can create using metal tape sheets to help you create a perfect, elegant ambience that will have everybody oohing and awing at your next gathering. So let's get started. The lattice die cut, and you will also need two cutting pads. And so I've taken this lattice die cut and I've placed it on a on a cutting mat. And so now I need to cut 4 metal tape sheet pieces that are a perfect 4-inch square. And so you will see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces here. Now I'm going to place this, the aluminum side facing down. Now, because these are so thin, I can go ahead and place 4 of them together right there. And then I'm going to take my cutting plate, place it on top, and run it through the Big Shot. When I am done, I will end up with 4 beautiful pieces such as these. And we will be ready to attach these to our candle holder. Okay, so we're ready to start. Here is my square glass candle holder. You can't see it here, but it is a beautiful, deep, rich ruby red. And so when the light from the candle comes through, it will look gorgeous. And so here is my first lattice die piece. And all I'm going to do is press it right there and center it on one side of the candle holder. And I'm going to take my brayer and just go over it to make sure I've attached it. Now I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to attach another one here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off that white backing, and then I'm going to place it right in the center. Oops, it's not exactly where I want it. So what you can do to make sure you have it right where you want it is place it like that. Don't move anything. Right when you know it is where you want, then hold one edge and take the brayer and go over it to attach it. Then flip it over and do the same thing for the third side. Seeing if it's centered right where I want it. Just pat it down a little bit just to hold it down, and then take my brayer and finish going over it. Now flip it again, and now I will take my last piece and attach it. Now once I've attached these pieces, I want to make sure that I go over any of these. Let me focus in a little bit closer. There's like little bumps right there that you can see. Let me see if you can see them now. Okay, well, I don't know if you can see them, but I can see them right here. And so what I'm going to do is I want to flatten that out. So I'm going to take my paper stump, which is rolled paper, and I'm going to go in over those areas to flatten it out. I think you can see it right there, the difference. I hope it shows up on the camera, but it really does flatten out that piece, and it makes it a smoother finish. Now, one of the great things that I love about the lattice die is that because it is a steel rule die cut, you can actually create these in any color you want, choosing over 15 different colors we have and Add a Little Dazzle metal sheets. All you will need to do is cut your metal sheet piece into a 4x4 piece, take a piece of sticky sheet and cut it into a 4x4 piece, attach it to the back, run it through the Big Shot, peel it just like we did the metal tape sheet, and you can create this in any color you want to match the decor for your party or for your home. I think these are absolutely beautiful. I can just imagine them in a fancy restaurant right in the center with all the candles lit. Oh, the people would be going crazy over this. And it's actually gorgeous. And so as you can see, I already did that right there. And I will continue doing this for all 4 sides. Okay, now the next step is that we want to decorate this. This is such an elegant piece that we want to use rhinestone jewels. The rhinestone jewels will give it a very elegant look. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some crystal effects, you're gonna place it in the areas where you want the rhinestone to go. Now my recommendation is that you place some of this in a little dish and pick it up with the toothpick, apply it where you want, and then attach your rhinestone. This allows you to give you more control with the crystal effects, because if you just squeeze it a little bit too hard, you're going to end up with a puddle, and then you're going to mess up your project, and you don't want to do that. And then what you're going to do, I'm going to show you my finished project, is you're going to attach the rhinestones. As you can see, I attached 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each side will have 8 rhinestones, and when you place a candle in it and light it up, it is going to be breathtaking. It is beautiful. I wish you could see it right here in my home, in our studio, how beautiful it looks. This is such an easy project to do, but yet it creates such a wow factor. And I invite you to purchase metal tape sheets from Add a Little Dazzle, or any color metal sheet you want. I invite you to purchase the Lattice die cut and any Stampin' Up! Supplies you need at addalittledazzle.com to create this beautiful piece that is going to look gorgeous, whether for a party, for a dining room table, even in your bedroom. The places where you can place this are endless, and you can change the color of the glass and it will look gorgeous. I invite you to visit us at addalittledazzle.com, where you can purchase Stampin' Up! Product and Add a Little Dazzle metal sheets in over 15 different colors. You will also find a free downloadable tutorial for today's project and many more projects for your daily inspiration. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at monica@addalittledazzle.com, and I will respond to your email. Thanks, and have a dazzling day.